Buying auto insurance can be a very daunting task. There's so many questions that need to be asked, and most importantly, do not shop on the price alone. That 15% savings today could cost you more down the road. You want to ask your agent when buying insurance some critical questions, because this may lead to an overall claims experience that you want it to be positive. So again, Mike, what are some of the things that you want to ask your agent when buying auto insurance?
Yeah, so I really appreciate, Danny. Make sure you understand the types of coverage that you're purchasing for automobile insurance. First of all, do you have full coverage, which means you have both covering you if you're in an accident, your vehicle, as well as if somebody else ever hits you. Understand the difference between collision and comprehensive. Comprehensive is like if there's a hailstorm or somebody breaks into your car, or it's stolen, or a fire, something like that. So understand the different types of coverage. Also make sure that you understand that full coverage doesn't always mean full coverage. What do we mean by that? Well, that means, like, for example, you may ask them, will my policy include rental car, reimbursement? And if so, is it just a set dollar amount, or is it for whatever the length of the repairs are? Some of the other things that you may want to make sure that are included or added on to your insurance policy is OEM parts. So when I get my vehicle fixed, I want all OEM, original equipment manufacturer parts, and I choose what kind of parts are going to be put on my vehicle. Another thing you want to do is make sure that you have the right to choose a shop that you want to fix your vehicle, that you're not going to be, forced or encouraged to use another shop, that you have freedom of choice. Other things to consider with insurance is deductibles, right? Do you get a $0 deductible, $250, $500, or $1,000? And just figure out what is that saving and weigh both the pros and the cons. And if your vehicle's ever declared a total loss, that means that the insurance company says, hey, we're not going to fix your vehicle. Is your vehicle insured to whatever the average value is, or is your vehicle insured to whatever it might take for you to pay off your vehicle if you've had payments over a period of time to a lien holder? So again, it's really important you understand there's a lot of different options of coverage. Keep in mind that in some cases, the average vehicle on the road today is $48,000. That's what it costs for the average vehicle. Well, if you're carrying the minimum coverage, yeah, it will be cheaper, but maybe you might have to be out of pocket should you ever run into someone else. And last but not least, when it comes to purchasing insurance, ask your insurance company, what are my, protection? What's my protection rights as a consumer? Meaning, if the shop of my choice and you, the insurance carrier, can't come to an agreed price, what are my options? How do I resolve that? Oftentimes that's referred to as a right to appraisal. So Danny, those are my thoughts of the questions we should be asking any insurance company.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up, share the video with your family and friends, and please comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry, as well as serving you, the consumer. For more information, visit scrs.com or click in the description below.